It's another great day at Barnyard Daycare. Let's go help Farmer Mia and Farmer Milo feed our baby animal friends.
Howdy, partner. Want to come help us feed Baby Pig? Baby Pig needs his purple power cauliflower, so he has the power to skate anywhere. Oh no! Baby Pig, are you stuck in the mud?
Don't worry, Baby Pig. You just need some purple power cauliflower to help you get unstuck.
Oh, chicken feathers. The power cauliflower is missing its purple color.
Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig need your help to find the purple power cauliflower's missing color. Let's try this color. Is this the color purple? No, that's blue. Let's try a different color. What about this one? Is this the color purple? No, that's not purple. That's orange. Let's pick again. Yeehaw! That's it. You found the power cauliflower's missing purple color.
Pull, Baby Pig! Use your purple cauliflower power! It's time to feed Baby Pony. Come with us. She needs to eat her red hide-and-seek strawberries so she can find her favorite flower.
Well, sweet baby pony, you're still looking for your missing flower, huh?
Well, we have just the thing to help you find it.
Some red hide-and-seek strawberries!
Twisted tractors! The hide-and-seek strawberries are missing their red color!
Can you help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pony find the missing red color? Very awesome. Let's try this color. Is this the color red? No, that's yellow. Let's try a different color. Did we turn the strawberries red? Not quite right. That's purple. Let's try one more time. Fruit-tacular! You did it! You found the hide-and-seek strawberries' missing red color.
Now that you've had some red hide-and-seek strawberries, do you think you can find your favorite flower? It's time to feed our friend Baby Goat. Let's go. She needs her green super spinning salsa to help her land her awesome spinning ballet move.
That was a great try, Baby Goat. You'll land that amazing spin soon. I know it.
And guess what we brought to help? Your green super spinning salsa. It'll help you do the best spin you ever spun.
Up in hay bales! The super spinning salsa is missing its green color!
Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat need your help to find the super spinning salsa's green color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color green? No, that's red. We need to try a different color. What about this one? Is this the color green? Looks like we picked blue. Let's try to find green one more time. Twirl-rific! That's it! You found the super spinning salsa's missing green color.
Now that you've had some green super spinning salsa, you can spin and spin without knocking down your castle.
Thanks for all your help feeding the baby animals today. Come back to the barnyard real soon. What is this place?
It's a farm.
A farm! Right! E-I-E-I-O. We are farming for Blue's Clues. E-I-E-I-O. With a chick here and a chick. There! Come on. Oh. It looks like this little chick is trying to tell us something. Oh. Hello, little chick.
Hey, Josh. Can you help me find my friend?
Oh, okay. You ready to help this little chick? Then we can look for more Blue's Clues. Okay. But what does your friend look like?
My friend has a hat on, just like mine. Do you see my friend? No. Yes, that one.
See? You found your friend.
Yes, see how our hats match?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you for helping us.
Great work.
Hi,
Oh,
can you help me find my friend too?
okay. What does your friend look like?
My friend has a hat on just like mine.
Oh, okay.
I sure hope you can help me. Do you see my friend? No. Yes, that one.
Aha! You found your friend too!
Thank you for helping us.
You are very welcome. But now can you help me find my friend?
You mean that silly puppy on your head?
Blue. Let's go find Blue. Bye, chicks. Blue. Blue, where are you, Blue?
A clue.
What?
A clue.
A cockadoodle, too. All right. A cockadoodle-doo!
No, a clue.
Oh, you see a clue? Where? Where's the clue?
There, behind you.
Oh, there. That cow has Blue's paw print on it. That means that cow is one of Blue's clues. Well, this calls for our handy dandy notebook. A cow. There's the head. A big oval for the body. And a tail. Lines for the legs. Hooves. And an udder. And there's a cow. Great. Hey, now that we have all three clues, that means we're ready for our
Thinking chair.
thinking chair. Let's go. Whoa. Whoa. Perfect landing. Okay, so now that we are in our thinking chair, let's think. Okay, we need to figure out what Blue wants for their snack. And Blue's clues are a cup, a straw, and a cow. So what do you think Blue wants with her snack? Ooh, do you think Blue wants to put the cow in a cup and slurp it up with a straw?
No.
No. Right. You can't really fit a cow in a cup. Silly Josh. Oh. Well, cows make the sound
Moo.
moo. Right. Cows make moo sounds. Cows make
Milk.
milk. Yes, that's it. Cows make the milk we drink. That's the answer to Blue's clues. Blue wants milk poured in a cup, and she wants to drink it with a straw.
It's a bright and sunny day down at the Barnyard Daycare. Let's saddle up and help Farmer Mia and Farmer Milo feed the baby animals.
Well, howdy there, friend. We're on our way to feed baby goat. She needs some Rockstar red raspberries to help her reach those high notes. What's that sound?
It's baby goat. She sang so much she tired out her voice.
Well, then it's a good thing we brought some Rockstar red raspberries.
Yeah! These raspberries will have you hitting those high notes in no time, baby goat.
Color and hoedowns! The Rockstar raspberries have lost their red color.
Mia, Milo, and baby goat need your help to find the Rockstar raspberry's missing red color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color red? No, that's orange. We'll need to try a new color. What about this one? Is this the color red? Looks like we picked blue, not red. Let's try one more time. Waving windmills. That's it. You found the Rockstar raspberry's missing red color.
Now that you've had some of those Rockstar red raspberries, you should be ready to rock the farm, baby goat.
It's time for us to feed baby pony. Let's go!
She needs to eat some orange climbing carrot cake so she can climb to the top of anything she wants.
You want to climb to the top of your post, don't you, baby pony?
Don't worry, cutie pie. We'll help you get to the top of that post.
Yeah, all you need is some orange climbing carrot cake, and you'll be climbing like a pro in no time. Oh, grinning grasshoppers! The climbing carrot cake has lost its orange color!
Looks like we need to help our barnyard buddies. Let's try to find the missing orange color. Is this the color orange? No, that's not orange. That's green. How about this color? Did we find orange? No, that's blue. But what about this color? Is this orange? Good golly, that's the one. You found the climbing carrot cake's missing orange color.
Now that you've had some orange climbing carrot cake, why don't you try climbing one more time?
You're just in time to help us feed Baby Pig.
He needs to eat some blue bowling blueberries to help him bowl over some blocks. Great job, Baby Pig! You knocked down a block!
Oh, you were trying to knock all of the blocks down, weren't you?
It's okay, Baby Pig. Once you have some blue bowling blueberries, you're sure to knock down every single block. Whopping watering cans! The bowling blueberries have lost their blue color.
We've got to find the bowling blueberries missing blue color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color blue? No, that's red. How about we try a different color? What about this one? Is this the color blue? No, that's brown. Let's try a new color. What about this one? Yippee! You did it! You found the bowling blueberries missing blue color.
Now that he's had some blue bowling blueberries, Baby Pig can knock down every block at once.
Great job feeding all the baby animals today. Come on back to the barnyard real soon.
Farm fair, here we come. Right, Twinkle?
Hey, do you want to come?
Great! I'm so excited.
Me too. And look, thank you. We're gonna play the games, ride the rides, eat farm fresh foods, and...
See a piggy talent show. Twinkle and I have been practicing a real showstopper so we can win the blue ribbon prize. Right, Twinkle? Twinkle? Oh no, wait for me!
Whoa! Twinkle just skidooed to the fair without us. We gotta go find him. Come on! Blue skidoo, we can too. Whoa! We're at the Great Farm Fair! No wonder Twinkle couldn't wait to get here. It's just so great!
Josh, this is so not great. Twinkle is missing.
Missing? Oh no.
If we can't find Twinkle, then we can't enter the piggy talent show.
Don't worry, Rainbow Puppy. We'll help you find Twinkle.
But how? He could be anywhere. Oh, Twinkle! Twinkle!
How can we find Twinkle? Great idea! We'll play Blue's Clues to figure out how we can find Twinkle. And we better find him before the Piggy Talent Show starts. We are gonna play Blue's Clues, 'cause it's a really great game. Yes! Now remember, Blue's paw print will be on the clues. Blue's Clues. Oh, help me oink this paw print away. Ready? Here we go. Oink, 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 oink. Hey, you know what we need for Blue's Clues? Our handy dandy
Notebook!
notebook. Right. Come on.
Step right up! Get your notebook here!
Look at all these tickets.
Yes! Use the tickets to play the games, ride the rides, and get delicious farm food.
Thanks, Side Table Jar.
You're welcome!
You know, I could tell I'm really gonna need your help today figuring out how we can find Twinkle. Will you help me? You will? Great! To play Blue's Clues, we gotta find a...
Paw print.
Right, a paw print, because that's our first...
Clue.
Yeah, a clue! And we put it in our...
Notebook.
Put it in our notebook, cause they're who's clues,
Blue's Clues.
We gotta find another paw print, cause that's the second clue. Put it in our notebook, cause they're who's clues.
Blue's Clues.
We gotta find the last paw print, that's the third clue. Put it in our notebook, cause they're who's clues.
Blue's Clues.
You know what to do. Sit down on our thinking bale and think, cause when you use your mind, take a step at a time, you can do anything that you wanna do. Yeehaw!
Ooh. Is that the... the Banjo Bunny Band!
A clue.
Oh, yes, it is true. The Banjo Bunny Band is my favorite band.
No, a clue.
Wait, you see a clue? Where?
Right there, above you.
I don't see a clue! There it is! And it's going around and around. Whoa! Around is our first clue. You know what we need? Our handy dandy
Notebook.
notebook. Right. Okay. So, around is our first clue. We'll draw an arrow curving like this and another arrow curving to meet it. There. Around. So how can we find Twinkle with around? Oh, good thinking. But I think we need to find 2 more clues just to be sure.
Don't feel bad, baby pig. You'll pop a bubble soon. I just know it.
You just need some pink popping pomegranate. It'll give you the energy you need to pop every bubble you see. Steaming silos, the poppin' pomegranate has lost its pink color.
Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig need your help to find the popping pomegranate's missing pink color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color pink? No, that's blue. We'll need to try a new color. What about this one? Is this the color pink? No, looks like we picked green. Let's try one more time. Shimmering sunflowers. That's it. You found the popping pomegranate's missing pink color.
Now that you've had some pink popping pomegranate, you can pop any bubble you see.
It's time to feed our friend, Baby Pony.
She needs to eat some yellow kicking corn cobs to help her kick. Shh! She's concentrating on her kick.
It's okay, Baby Pony. That was a really good try.
But maybe a bite of yellow kicking corn cobs would help you hit that ball. Oh, hampering scarecrows! The kicking corn cobs have lost their yellow color.
We've got to find the kicking corn cob's missing yellow color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color yellow? No, that's red. How about we try a new color? What about this one? Is this the color yellow? No, that's blue. Let's try a new color. What about this one? Yippee! You did it! You found the kicking corn cob's missing yellow color.
Now that she's had a yellow kicking corn cob, Baby Pony can finally hit that ball.
Time to feed Baby Goat. Come with us. She needs to eat some purple power plums so she'll have the strength to build a fort from her heavy hay bales.
Wait a second. Where's Baby Goat? Aw, these hay bales are a little too heavy to build a fort from, huh?
It sounds like you need some purple power plums to help you push those hay bales into place. Oh, buzzing bumblebees! The power plums have lost their purple color.
Looks like we need to help our barnyard buddies. Let's try to find the missing purple color. Is this the color purple? No, that's not purple. That's orange. How about this color? Did we find purple? No, that's brown. But what about this color? Is this purple? Woohoo! That's the one! You found the Power Plum's missing purple color.
Now that you've had some purple power plums, you're ready to finish your fort!
Great job feeding all the baby animals today. Y'all come back to the barnyard real soon, you hear?
Whoa!
A clue!
Ah, a cow. Yeah, right.
No! A clue!
Oh, you see a clue. Oh, there is a clue on this. What's this?
It's a barn!
Right, a barn. Hey, we need our handy dandy
Notebook!
notebook. Okay, oh, hi, Ducky. So, our second clue is a barn. A line up and down with a rectangle for the roof, some lines for the barn, a rectangle with 2 lines on it for the door, and the silo. There, we have a barn. So, our first clue was,
A duck!
duck. Right. Hi. And now, our second clue is a barn. So what song could Blue want to sing with a duck and a barn? Ooh. I think we need to find one more Blue's clue to... Do you hear that?
Hello, Josh!
Hello, chicks. Hey, what are you up to?
We're putting together a song show. Will you help us?
Of course. Oh, we've just been singing all day.
Yeah, thanks. Thank you. Thank you. Row, row, row your... Oh, no. Can you tell us what comes next?
Oh, sure. You will help, right? Thank you.
Row, row, row your car.
Is that the way it goes?
No. Row, row, row your bicycle.
Is that the way it goes?
Nope. Row, row, row your boat.
Is that the way it goes?
Yeah!
Yes! Great!
Thank you for helping us. Row, row, row your boat gently down the... Oh, no. Can you help us figure out what comes next?
Oh. Yes.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the street.
Is that it?
No. River.
Is that it?
No. Stream.
Is that it?
That one. Yeah, it's me, Stream.
Oh, well, there you go, Chick Chorus.
Yeah. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Team Green.
Uh-oh. Which chick is singing the right ending?
Life is but a dream. Team Green. That one. Dream. Yes, me. Yes, me. Life is but a dream.
Hey, I think your chorus is complete.
Okay, sing it with us. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Yay! Hey, that was awesome. Oh, yeah. Right, Blue. We still have to get back home for our own... song time, la la la. Come on.
Bye.
Come on.
You can ask your parents to subscribe to Nick Jr.'s Blues Clues and You YouTube channel for new Barnyard Daycare videos every week. And find more of your favorite shows on Nickelodeon.